Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious grilled egg, ham, and cheese on rye, Western style. So let's get started. Alright, for the main ingredients we have 3 nice slices of smoked ham and 1 slice of smoked ham that we chopped up, 4 slices of American cheese, and about a quarter of a red bell pepper, quarter of a green bell pepper, and about a quarter of a sweet onion that we chopped up, and 2 nice large eggs, and 2 slices of New York rye bread. Really nice bread. It's big too. Okay, let's put our eggs aside, and we'll go ahead and take all this and we'll put it aside, right? Okay, let's bring in a nice bowl, and we're going to crack a couple eggs in there. Alright, and to our eggs, we're going to add a little bit of salt to taste, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of onion powder, and a little bit of parsley flakes. Alright, let's go ahead and mix that up and beat up our eggs like this, right? Alright. Okay, they look good. Alright, now all we have to do is start cooking. So let's do that. Alright, and today we're using our ceramic infrared cooktop. This is a really nice cooktop. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested, because it really does come in handy. You can put it on like a picnic table or out on your island and go ahead and cook, right? Alright, let's set our burner to medium. Alright, we're going to put a little high smoke point oil in the pan. Okay, now we're going to take our red and green bell peppers and onions that we chopped up, put them right in there. Now you want to saute these until they become a little bit translucent, the onions, and they're still a little crunchy, right? Okay, they're starting to look pretty good. Now we're going to take our chopped ham, put that in there. Wow, does this smell good? Okay, now we're going to lower our burner temperature down to medium-low. And we're going to take our egg mixture and we're going to beat it up again. Yep, yeah, don't forget to beat it up again. Alright, we're going to pour that right in there. Now we're going to go ahead and mix it in quickly. Just like this. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm trying to make it the size of our bread, right? Let's give it a check. Take a piece of our New York rye and it looks perfect. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and cover that and let our egg cook a little bit. Alright, it's been about a minute or so. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, that looks beautiful. Okay, our egg's done. Let's go ahead and shut off our burner. And let's go ahead and put this aside for a while. Alright, let's go ahead and set our burner to medium. Alright, and today, instead of butter, we're going to be using this. Bacon up bacon grease. So let's go ahead and use this. We'll take one of our nice slices of New York rye bread and we'll put a little of that bacon up bacon grease on there. Now, not much, just put a little bit. This adds a lot of flavor to your sandwich. It really tastes good. And we'll go ahead and put that right in there, just like this. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and take our American cheese. And we're going to put 1 slice right in the middle, just like this. A slice of our ham. Another slice of our ham. Yep. Another slice of American cheese. Put it right there. Another slice of our ham. Put it right there. Another slice of cheese. Yep. Now we're going to take our nice Western style egg with the ham, and we're going to put that right on there just like this. Look at this, guys. Alright, what's that guy doing back there? Let's put him up there. Alright. And these two. Okay. Now you could add just a little more salt if you want, season it to taste, and a little bit of extra pepper. And we're going to take our last piece of American cheese and we're going to put that right on top of there. That helps everything kind of stick together. Plus it's loaded with cheese, right? Alright, now we're going to take our last slice of New York rye and we're going to put a little more of that bacon grease on there. Just a light coating. Okay? And we're going to put that right on top of there, just like that. Alright, let's go ahead and try to flip this over and see how we're doing. Wow, is that big, guys? Okay. Alright, let's push down on that a little bit. Kind of flatten it a little bit. Okay, let's flip it back. See how we're doing on that side? Oh, it's getting good, guys. Okay. Now go ahead and flip that over a couple more times to get your bread the perfect color, like a golden brown. And your cheese is starting to melt and get all nice and gooey. That's what makes it good. And that egg that's in there is nice and hot. It should actually start to melt the cheese. Perfect. Okay, let's flip it again, see how we're doing. See, it's starting to get nice and golden. That's beautiful. Okay, let's quickly flip it one more time. Oh, that's looking beautiful, guys. Really nice. Alright, that's looking good. Let's flip it back. Perfect. Okay, our sandwich is done. Let's go ahead and shut off our burner. And let's get under there and get that out of there, and we'll put that right on a cutting board. Just like this. Look at that sandwich. Boy, is that delicious looking. And that egg and all that ham. Oh boy, this is going to taste good. What a lunch this is going to be. Alright, I can't wait to get into a bite of this, so let's go ahead and have a taste. Alright, here's our grilled egg, ham, and cheese on rye. Western style. Boy, doesn't that look good. And I can't wait to have a taste of that. So let's go ahead and cut this in half. Alright, let's go ahead and pick it up and see how we did. Oh, wow. That is beautiful looking. Boy, I can't wait to have a bite of this, so let me go ahead and get into a bite. I'll let you guys know how it tastes. Alright. That is delicious. You're going to love this. Alright, you know what'll go good with this? Since we're having this for like a late lunch, you may have guessed this one. We're going to have a nice cold wobble pop with this one. Yep. Boy, does that sound good. Especially in the summer. Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious grilled egg, ham, and cheese on rye. Western style. Boy, does that sound good. Yep. I just have to have another little bite. Look at this, guys. Man, is that tasty looking, isn't it? And it really is tasty. Let me have another bite. Is that good? Catch you on the next one.